Hello class 10 children. Now today I'll be discussing with you how database queries are asked in the board examination. What kind of questions are framed on the basis of this query and how we need to attempt those questions. So I'm giving you a sample of the question before you actually start practicing MySQL. First question A says, write a query to create a table with the following structure. Table product. That means the name of the table has been given as product. Then the structure of the table is given, in which you have been given a field and its data type. Field means the columns names of the table are given and their respective data types are also given in the question. So field is PID, that is product ID. Data type is char 4. Now why we are saying product ID is character here? Because it is given in the table that product ID is a character, so it will have values like P001, P002. That means a combination of alphabets and numbers, but no, here only character is given. So the ID of the product will be just PA, PB, PC, PD. So only in character form the ID would have been there. That is why the data type char is given. Now next field is P name. That means the product name. It is given the data type as varchar. That means it is a combination of character and as well as your numbers. So it can be like your shampoo 1, shampoo 2. So this way. Similarly, description of the product is given. That is also given the value varchar, but the storage is more because then it will tell you about the details of the product, and that is in varchar only. Shampoo 1 has the following ingredients or the following contents. Similarly, now next field is given the price. Price is given in decimal because it can be 40.52 rupees or it can be 96.00. Since the money can be in points, so that is why the data type decimal has been given. So if you want to write the query for this table, only in the question it is mentioned, write the query to create a table. That means you have to write only the create query for this. So what will be the create query, children? The create query for this table will be create table product. The name of the table was product. Then in the bracket you will write PID. Then you will give a space char 4 because the data type of PID was char 4. Then comma P name. Then a space varchar 20, comma description, then a space varchar 40, comma price, then a space decimal, then close the bracket and semicolon. Decimal do not have any range as a data type, so it is just written as decimal, similar to date data type in time and date. So children, this is how you will be writing the answer to this query, that you have to create a query or write a query to create this table. Now the B part of the same question says, now consider the vendor table. Now the table vendor has the following fields. The name of the table is vendor, V is capital, and it has the following fields as vendor ID, then V name, date of registration and location. Now vendor ID has V001, the vendor name, first name is Mother Dairy, date of registration is 20.01.2009 and the location is Delhi. Similarly, V002, the vendor name is Amul, date of registration is 01.04.2015, the location is Gujarat. Thirdly, the vendor ID is V003, The vendor name is Quality Walls. Date of registration is 12.05.2012 and the location is Mumbai. So this is the table vendor given. Now the first part of the question says, write a query to display all the records. So how will you display the records of this table? You will just write the select query. The select query will be select, then space asterisk, then space from, then space vendor, and then a semicolon. Now space here means you are pressing the spacebar key from your keyboard. So the query is select star from vendor, semicolon. So what will be the answer of the query? You will be able to see all the details, all the records of this table similar to this table given here. Then next it is saying the next question, to add a new row, in the brackets the value of that new row is given V004, that is in quotes, because vendor ID here is not just in numbers, it is not an integer, it is a varchar, it is a combination of your variable and alphabets. So that is why the value is given in quotes, then comma, then in quotes again Vadilal is given, that is the vendor name, that is has to be, since it is a character value, it has to be in single quotes, comma, then your date is also given in quotes. Here date of registration, the data type will be varchar only, because it is also having dot values. So it is this 2010-03-20, you take a varchar value, comma, then your location is given, it is a character value, so it is given in quotes Pune. Now how to add a new row to the table? You use the insert query for that. So the insert query will be insert space into, then a space vendor. In the brackets you will write the field names that were vendor ID, comma vendor name, comma date of registration, comma location, then the bracket close, then again a space, then you write values, and then you write the actual values. That means V004 was there, it's 4, not V005, so it will be V004, comma, in the brackets Vadilal, then comma, in the again in the single quotes 2010.03.20, then comma, then again in the quotes Pune. So this way you will be able to write the query for inserting a new row in the table. Now the third part of the same question says to modify location of V003 to Calcutta. Now if you want to change something, which SQL command are you using? You are using the update command. So the update command for this will be update the vendor, the table name was vendor, set location is equals to Calcutta. Inside the single quotes you will be writing where vendor ID is equals to V003, again in quotes, and then a semicolon. Now vendor ID is a primary key, so we have given it the name as vendor ID is V003. We need to select some condition inside the table which is forming the basis for updation. So children, this is how your database query is framed. You will be given the question and you need to write the query, execute it for your practical exam, and in the notebook you need to write the query. So this is the type of question that come in your board exam. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.